Everybody look at the banner. Got it. Stop you. Cerveza. Tequila. Got it.
Hello. Okay. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Interiors Unlimited, our 2.0. Our brand new design center that we're so excited to welcome all of you into. Yay! It has been a journey over the last 3 years. We purchased the land. I don't know if you all know, we'll tell you a little bit of the story. We purchased the land pre-Ian with the dream of one day creating this space, and obviously hit a few obstacles. Ian, Milton, Helene, you guys know. So this has been a long time coming for us, and I think us as a community as well. The building that was here prior was empty for about 8 years and was quite an eyesore for all of us. And now we hope that you all agree it's a beautiful staple for Fort Myers Beach that we can all use as a resource, as a meeting space, a space for collaboration and events, a little bit of shopping, fun design. We have our friends John R. Wood who are going to be in the back, so it's a great space for them as well. They're going to be meeting people here, and not just them, we hope that you all feel welcome to come here if you need to have a meeting with a client or you want to come and just get some inspiration. We are a full remodeling contractor. We are licensed and insured, so we can do your full project. But if you have someone that you love working with and you just want to come and choose your tiles and get help from one of our designers, you're more than welcome to do that in our space. We really want it to be a collaboration center where everyone is comfortable to come in. We want to thank a few people personally. Obviously our amazing team. Rocco, our architect, who has left already, he did an amazing job on the design of the building, and his late partner Larry, who they were just an amazing team to work with and have been so patient with us. We're a classic customer. We change our mind on things as it goes, and they had to roll with those punches. Our staff, you all have been incredible through the process of being displaced, working out of a construction trailer for 2 years, and then helping us bring to life this crazy idea that you could not always see because it was in our brains as our mind child, and now it's physically here. And we hope you realize we were not crazy, we were just brave. We'd like to thank Anita and her team at the Islander. After we departed our beloved construction trailer, she gave us you're here!
And we miss you at the Islander.
We miss you dearly. We hope you come and hang out with us.
I'm so proud of you too, by her.
Thank you. Anita gave us a temporary home after our other temporary home had to go away, so she let us set up shop with her and her wonderful ladies at the Islander. And she's been a great mentor for the two of us for quite some time now. Mike Wood, who's here and is both an amazing friend and feels like family, but also a mentor to us. He has a wealth of knowledge that we have overused, I'm sure, and bounced many crazy ideas off of, and he is one of the most level-headed and grounded people you will ever meet, and we need that because we are a little cuckoo. There's been a lot of people. Everyone as a community, it's great to see our past customers here, to see other members who are staples in our community. Unfamiliar faces, welcome. We're so glad you guys came to see what we're about, and we hope you love the space. Kaio, my partner, I don't know if you want to say some words, but I'll get emotional. We have a baby coming as well, so it's the hormones. I'm not a crier, but this has been quite the journey for us, and we're excited that not only our business is growing, our family is growing. You want to say?
Well, first of all, thanks everybody for coming over. You know, it has been a journey. A lot of ups and downs. It's not easy to do business in this island. There is a lot of different ideas on what it should look like and, you know, the direction that we're going. There is a lot of talks about where is the future, you know, and I feel like we're playing a big role in the sense that new things can come, but also still nice and appeasing, and people do not need to be scared or afraid, you know, like that was always one of our main concerns. Is like we did not want it to be the elephant in the room. We wanted to have a beautiful building that fits with Fort Myers Beach, but also bring something new, something that we haven't seen it yet. And I think it's a very important space for people to get ideas, see that it is possible to work with the existing structures, you know, bringing the different ways of using the land and complying with most things. You know, it's almost impossible to comply with everything in this town, but, you know, we did pretty good. Again, help from, you know, many people, you know. It's been a journey, and we are very excited to actually welcome everybody here. It's the first step moving forward to our new business. Business is growing, family is growing. We're very excited. So I don't have much more to say. Just thanks everybody.
Great job. Let's give them a big hand once again, huh? Congratulations to you both. Fort Myers Beach desperately needed this kind of business here for us, so we appreciate you. Oh, certainly. Stick around, have some fun, have some more beverages and some snacks, and we'll keep the music going. Enjoy yourselves today.